In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky header in Framer. A sticky header is a navigation bar that stays visible at the top of the screen while the rest of the page scrolls. It keeps key actions and links accessible, improves usability, and gives your site a polished feel. We'll set this up using Framer's built-in positioning options so it works smoothly without extra code. Start by selecting your header. You can click it directly on the canvas or choose it from the Layers panel. Making sure the correct layer is selected is important because the setting we're about to change applies only to the active layer. With the header selected, look over to the right-hand Properties panel. Find the Positioning section labeled Type. This is where Framer controls how a layer is positioned on the page, things like relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky. If you don't see it right away, it's typically grouped with layout and size settings for the selected layer. Now, click the current value that's displayed for type. In most layouts, it's set to relative by default. Clicking that value opens the drop-down of positioning options. This is simply telling Framer, I want to change how this header behaves as the page scrolls. From the drop-down, choose sticky. That's the key change. Switching the header's type from relative to sticky keeps it pinned within its scroll container, typically the page or the section it's placed in. As content scrolls underneath, the header remains visible at the top, creating that familiar anchored navigation experience. Once sticky is applied, you'll notice the header stays put while the rest of the content moves. If your design includes multiple sections or nested frames, remember that sticky behavior respects the parent scroll area. For a full page sticky nav, place the header in the top level page frame. If it's intended to stick within a specific section, make sure it lives inside that section's frame. A few practical tips to make the result look great. Give the header a solid background so content behind it doesn't show through while scrolling. Ensure it sits above other elements in your layer order so it remains visible. If you use shadows or borders, keep them subtle to enhance separation without distraction. And if your project uses multiple breakpoints, confirm the sticky setting for each one so the behavior is consistent on mobile and desktop. That's all it takes. By selecting the header, opening the type control, and changing it from relative to sticky, you've created a clean, reliable, sticky header in Framer.